Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover how to copy, move or rotate parts into an assembly document. So let's go and let's see, as we already have all the parts into assembly document. So let's check all the navigation tools. So the first thing what I'm gonna do is, if you are gonna press the middle button into your mouse and then you can just rotate. So it's gonna rotate the whole world, as you can see. So this is similar as it was in the part environment. And there is another option. If you want to zoom in, again you can use the middle button of your mouse and you can zoom in wherever you want. If you want to zoom in here, you can just bring your cursor and you can just rotate the middle button and then you can zoom on that specific location. And again, if you want to zoom out, you can just go into another direction of the middle button and then it's gonna be zoom out. And if you want to bring it to the focus on the screen, so you can just press the F on your keyboard and it's gonna bring into the focus on the screen. Okay, so if you don't know these tricks, so what you can do is you can just click on the software anywhere, you can just right click anywhere and then you can find all those options, like you zoom to fit, zoom to area, zoom out, rotate view, pan, roll view, all these things. Okay, but there is another thing, like if you want to move an individual part, so you can just hold it with the left button of your mouse and then you can just move it wherever you want. But there is another thing, like you just need to be into the same orientation if you want to move into a same orientation. Like as you can see, if you are in this orientation, so what you can do is you can just move this way, right, left or up and down. But you would not found the exact way if you want to move it into another side. So you can do is you can go into that plane or that orientation, and then suppose I want to move it from here, then I can move it from this side, as you can see. And there is another thing, like if you want to rotate an individual part into assembly document, so what you can do is you can just right click on the part and hold, and then you can just rotate your mouse. Okay, so we already learned how to move, how to rotate, but what if we want to copy the same part multiple times? So the first option is, what we can do is we can go into the feature manager and we can select whatever the part we want to copy. As I already selected this, and you already noticed this is going to be highlighted, and then I need to hold the control key on my keyboard and then I just need to drag this part into my working area. As you can see, there is another thing like which you need to notice, like this is in this orientation, so the copy could be the same orientation whatever the part you have selected. So if I want to rotate this like this, now it has a different orientation, and now if I want to go there, I want to select this, and now if I want to copy, so it could be into the same orientation. As you can see, I'm just holding the control on my keyboard and then I'm gonna bring it, as you can see. So the copy is with the same orientation as I have my original part. Okay, so this was the first way how we can copy our parts. But there is another way, like I want to have a copy of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this and then hold the control key on my keyboard, and then I can bring a copy of this here like this. Okay, this was all about how we can copy, rotate or move parts into assembly and made them ready to build our first assembly. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.